Hi guys, I want to start today by talking about sets of real numbers. So the first set that we are going to talk about is called natural numbers. And natural numbers are all the numbers that we use as counting numbers. That includes every single number greater than 1 that we use to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1,000, 1,000,000. All these numbers are called natural numbers. The second set of numbers that I want to talk about is called whole numbers. And whole numbers include all the natural numbers, every single natural number, plus 0. So this set of real numbers is going to include 0 and all natural numbers. Third group, or third set, is called integers. And as you can see, integers include all natural numbers, the 0 to make whole numbers, and all their opposites or negative numbers. -1, -2, -3, -1,000, -1,000,000. So integers include whole numbers and the negatives. Now, let's talk about the next group. The next group is called rational numbers. And rational numbers are numbers that can be written as a fraction or a decimal. Now, we need to pay attention to the decimals, because if we have a repeating decimal, that means that we can change that number into a fraction, and therefore it's a rational number. And so far we have rationals include all natural numbers, the 0, the negative integers, and every single number that we can write as a fraction. So that includes decimal numbers that terminate, because we can change these decimals into a fraction, and repeating decimals, or numbers that include repeating decimal, because these repeating decimals can change into a fraction. Next group is called irrational numbers, and irrational numbers are numbers that we cannot write as a fraction. And these numbers are numbers that include decimals that does not terminate. It includes decimals that has no pattern in them. They're not repeating decimals. All these decimals that cannot be written into a fraction are called irrational numbers. The last group is called real numbers. Now, real numbers include all the subset of numbers. So includes any number on the number line. That number can be a natural number, a 0, an integer, a rational number, an irrational number. All these numbers are called real numbers. And in Algebra 1, we only deal with real numbers that can be rational, irrational, integers, natural numbers, or a 0. So it's every single number that can be written on the number line.